Today we're making delicious chicken burger. So of course we're going to be needing some minced chicken or some finely chopped up chicken. For this recipe I used chicken breast and chicken thighs in a 1:1 ratio because just chicken breast is boring and I don't like boring. Next up, we'll then spice our chicken. I've got a full list of the spices that I used here, but it's a mix of paprika, fenugreek, some mixed peppercorns, and we're just going to mix that with the chicken. Make sure not to overmix because you don't want to end up getting a pasty patty. You want it still to have some texture. Once we've done that, we're going to form our patties. Make sure to add some salt, of course. And then after that, we're going to wet our hands and then form some balls and then flatten those balls a bit. Once we flatten them, we're going to put them into the fridge or the freezer for a few minutes, just so that handling them is a bit easier. Now, because we're going to be making these as smash burgers, once you've got your pan on the stove over medium heat with some oil in there, you're going to put your patties in the pan, and then using a baking paper or parchment paper and any object that is sort of round, you're just going to put that on top and then smash that to make them a bit flatter into the pan. The advantage of this is that they cook much faster, and also I think they're pretty cool to look at. Fry the patties and then turn them over when the one side is brown. Now, once you've turned that over, you're going to get your slices of cheese. You're going to put them on top and then let them melt. And in that time, the patty is going to finish cooking. So you're going to put the burger sauce on the toasted bun, and then you're going to add some lettuce. Then you're going to add your burger patties. For this one, I'm going to use 2 because we want it nice and juicy and sexy. And then you're going to add your pickled carrots as well. That just gives it a nice acidic touch, which is quite necessary. We've got your meat, you've got your fatty cheese, and a little bit of acid just works really well. And then of course you've got a nice crispy element, and that is the crispy onions just to go on top. And that is absolutely it. Here you've got a beautiful smashed burger. I hope that you enjoyed this as usual. If you did, please subscribe to this channel. Let's get our numbers up, and I will see you on the next one. Happy eating!